So you can see all the dust coming up here. You can also see how it's getting past the filter because it's getting just overused, and it's coming through here out this little opening. Super not good that there's that much dust in there. I'm a little concerned about the coil in here. Yeah, there's a lot of, you can see how there's not much dust here, but over here it's just a lot. That's because it's coming out of this port. You know, it's even coming out here and getting on that. I'm gonna open up the filter. I've never seen this. It's absolutely trashed, unfortunately. I'm gonna turn the system off at this point. Don't want to run it right now. I mean, there's so much construction going on upstairs there. We're gonna ruin the AC, unfortunately, and my furnace. So yeah, and someone's been in here too. Like, I don't know who's been in here. Yeah, so. So you can see in here, this is not good. I mean, the furnace is gonna get destroyed. Look at all the debris, sawdust and drywall dust. If it's in here, then it's inside the coil. Look at the motor winding, the motor trashed. Damn. Squirrel cages. Yeah, I mean, the whole furnace needs to be virtually torn apart and cleaned. This piece here doesn't see the dust. Grab that door handle. Go ahead and pull that off. So this is how clean this piece is because it doesn't see the dust. See, there's no dirt in here, no dust in there. But in there, it's just, I mean, the furnace is, yeah, it needs cleaned. Go ahead and put the door back on. I'm gonna take a video of the AC unit next.